Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Sukkah Perek Mishnah He. Over here, we're going to discuss now the blowing of the shofar in the Bet Mikdash. So, since we just mentioned the ceremonious blowing of the shofar when they're going down to throw the water for Simchat Bet HaShoeva, right, for the water or pouring water on the Mizbeach, over here we're going to mention the tekiyot in general in the Bet Mikdash. What's the maximum? What's the minimum? What's the maximum that they would have at all times? So, you never have less than 21 tekiyot in the Bet Mikdash, right? Right, and you don't have more than 48. Okay, every day there will be 21 tikiyot. How so? When they open the gates of the Beit HaMikdash, they will blow 3 times. 9 and another 9. 9 for the morning tamid, 9 for the tamid in the afternoon, the korban tamid in the afternoon. Right, so that's 18 plus 21 total. That's the minimum that you'll have every day. V'la musafim, right? If you have a day with musaf, let's say chodesh, mosifim otesha, you have another 9. With the Eid Shabbat, right? If it comes on a Friday, mosifim od shesh. Why do we have another 6? Shalosh lavdil ta'amina melacha, v'shalosh lavdil min kodesh lechol. 3 times to separate, right? Earlier on in the day, right? Closer to sunset, so everyone knows, okay, it's time to stop working. Time to go home for Shabbat. And 3, when a Shabbat actually rolled in, right? They would have another 3 tikiyot in the Bet Mikdash, telling everyone, announcing that it was Shabbat. Erev Shabbat Shebetoch Hag. Here's when we get to the 48. So on Sukkot, on Erev Shabbat, this would be the most. Tayusham arba'im u'shmoneh tekiyot. There would be 48 tekiyot. Shalosh l'ptichat sharim, right? 3, like every day, for the opening of the gates of the Bet Mikdash. V'shalosh is shar ha'yom, right? 3 when the upper gates. Remember when they would blow the shofar when they're standing on the 15 steps. Right, so that's what they would blow. 3 more. When they reach the lower gate, again another 3. When they actually drew the water from the shiloach, they would blow another 3 tikiyot. When they pour the water on the mizbeach, right, the nisuch hamayim of the holiday of Sukkot, they'll blow another 3. 9 for the tamid of the morning. Another 9 for the tamid in the afternoon. Another 9 for the musaf, right? Because every day of Sukkot we have musaf. Because it's Friday now, so we also have to separate them from milacha. So another 3, another 3 to separate them between Kodesh Tahol. That's the maximum of 48. Now, even though we said there's a maximum of 8, and Rambam chimes in over here and based on the Gemara, he says there's actually a day where it could be more than that, where you could reach a maximum of 57. Right? So we said the maximum 48 isn't really lav davka. Right? That's usually the case, but there can be a time where you could be even up to 57. And when would that be? So that would be on Erev Pesach. Right? If you have, Erev Pesach on Shabbat. Right? So you have Erev Pesach on Shabbat. We mentioned on Masechet Pesachim that when you slaughter the Korban Pesach, it could be done in up to 3 kitot, up to 3 different groups. And if you remember, each one of the groups, right? In the first group enters, they have Tikiyat Tiruat Tikiyah. When they read the Hallel, they would read it 2 or 3 times, and each time they would blow 3 tikiyot. So there would be 3 groups. Each group would do it 3 times. Would read the Hallel 3 times, and each time they read the Hallel, they would blow 3 tikiyot. Right, so it's 3 times 3 times 3. That's a total of, it could be up to 27. Right, 9 for each gate. Now, once you have that, remember you have another 9 and 9 for the Timidim, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 9 for the Musaf of Shabbat, 3 for the opening of the gates, right? And if you count it all up, it comes up to a total of 57. So that could be the absolute maximum that the Gemara brings down. But most of the time, the maximum would be the 48 that's mentioned in our Mishna on Sukkah here. And the minimum, as we mentioned, would be a minimum of 21.